Many users have been complaining about a connection timeout issue when trying to join official servers. They report that every time they attempt to connect, a timeout message appears. Even users with high performance PCs, great video cards, and plenty of RAM have encountered this problem. For example, some have played over 8,000 hours in single player mode without any issue, but have never been able to join an official or registered server. Similar problems have also been reported on custom servers like Crystal. To fix this, first step is to ensure that servers you are trying to join is actually up and running. You can use the Battle Matrix website to search for your server. If the server status is red, it means the server is down, which is often the reason behind connection timeouts, especially on official servers. If the server is not down and players are connected, the issue may be related to something else, such as an APK update, firewall restriction, or even your internet provider blocking certain connections. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection timeout issue and enjoy playing APK without interruptions.